What's up, YouTube? It's been a long time. I brought you what you guys been waiting for. We got Dynamic. I got this as my ticket back into this, man. I know I say it every time. I'm gonna be back and more consistent. Time I'm gonna show you better than I could tell you. This time, we got a complete from Dynamics 29mm with the new build shit we have going on. So I'm gonna test those out. Alright, so after about 10 minutes, and just ignore this little contraption. So yeah, man, got the 29 Dynamic fingerboard. It looks very clean. Like, it's worth it. I am not sad. You can also get a regular complete 32, 34, 29mm for about $99 even, but what can I say? I wanted to customize my own, even though it's not too much different. I just wanted the special trucks. And I'm happy with my decision.